Are you wondering why is your smoke detector still beeping or chirping even if you replace your battery on it? So there are multiple different causes why this might happen, so we are going to go over all of them. So if it's only like beeping, like beep, 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 or like chirp, 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 to indicate that the battery is bad, so what you have to do is, before you actually install the new battery, you have to actually reset this unit. Otherwise, it will still continue doing it, as it has internal capacitor inside that still holds a bit of energy inside. I'm not sure if you could see, but it just blinked even without battery. So it's able to run even without any power source still for a moment, essentially. So in case of power cut or stuff like that. So to reset it, so again, make sure you have your battery removed and you simply press and hold the button on your unit. So the one that you use to test your smoke detector, essentially, and hold it for maybe like 30 seconds. And after that is up, so you can insert the battery inside and it should be good to go, and it shouldn't chirp or like beep. By the way, if it's still like beeping or like chirping, check also if your unit maybe has expiration date here as well. So a lot of units have it printed on the side or over here. Some units actually do not have, so like cheaper end units do not have such chip. Essentially, some of these units can actually understand when it has expired itself, and also it will then keep like chirping or beeping, essentially, to indicate that the battery is bad. But actually not the battery is bad, but the whole like smoke detector is actually expired and you simply need to replace it. So again, a lot of units will give you again the same kind of response, either for bad battery or it's simply expired. So again, check if your unit has any expiration date. If it is past due, then most likely that is the reason why it still keeps beeping or chirping. Also, for example, this particular unit, it has auto reset mechanism as well. So you see, it automatically resets itself after 10 minutes. So even if you like remove the battery, insert a new one, there is no way how to manually reset it, essentially. So it will keep like beeping like maybe once every 30 seconds. So for the maybe next 10 minutes, essentially. So there is no way how to disable it, so simply leave it. After the 10 minutes is up, after the battery is changed, it should work. Again, the internal capacitors, so again, they can still hold energy and make it still do that. So what if your like alarm still actually goes off, even if you change the alarm, and there is no like real cause why it should go off, essentially? Then also you can check if everything is okay basically with the sensor here, and if maybe there is a bunch of dirt inside. So you see, these sensors, these detectors have like opening where essentially the air can flow inside and the sensor can detect if everything is okay. So if a bunch of dust lands here, that can also sometimes even like trip the detector and make it go off and start screaming, essentially. So what you can do is you can take maybe like a blower or compressed air and simply blow out all the junk from here. Or maybe check if any maybe bug has found its home here, maybe any spider. So simply take a flashlight and see if everything is okay, if the sensor is clean. If it's dirty and you can't blow it out, again, the only way maybe would be to dismantle it, not sure, or again simply replace it with a new one, I guess. So if the sensor is dirty, so again it might go off on its own due to that as well. Okay, good luck.